Let me show you how you can take a full-size screenshot, auto-scrolling screenshot of the web page in your Chrome without any extra plugins. Simply right-click and go for Inspect. Normally your windows will be docked to the right, just like this, but I recommend to make it floating. This way we don't make the web page smaller by having these windows on the right side. All right, everything looks so scary, but we just need to run one simple command. So click those three little dots, run command, and now type in screenshots. As you can see, there are 4 different commands, and we want the second one, capture full-size screenshot. Select that, and you will notice that you got something in your download folder. That's our brand new screenshot of the entire page. It will automatically scroll all the way down and take a screenshot of the entire page. It will be saved as PNG, so it's pretty sharp when you zoom in. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.